Cut this down, get 4 inches out of it on the good end, and this will be going towards raising my drill press. So part of making it a better drill press. Alright. These are metric bolts, M8 by 1.25 pitch, 14 millimeter. I'm using a 9/16, which is equivalent to the 14 millimeter. Take these nuts out. Get this off the pedestal. Looking good. All right. This will be going on like that. I have to drill one hole out a little bit bigger. All right, it's not, I guess, really precise in my measurements. Alright, all tight, all on there. There's an extension I built, raised the head by 4 inches. It's the original platform, and that was the distance I had. Put a good size piece of stock in there, or a good size drill bit. You couldn't do much. So just move that out of the way and use what I have here. Use that, and I've got a piece of wood I can put on there. That's pretty good. I like it. I like it. It's a good extension. It's nice and sturdy. I'll probably C-clamp it down though, like I always do. Oh, there we go. That's a finished product. You can see I'll paint that black, and I never know the difference. There's a finished product right there. All finished. Got a lot more height now. That's real nice. And I can shot it real quickly with this. Bring that around. Sharp pieces of work. Needle excellent. There it is. That's it. Finished product.